We are CRM Lab. We are your CRM guide. And today we're going to look at 10 CRM trends for 2022. AI, privacy, market trends, predictions, and loads more. CRM trend number 1. AI in CRM. AI technology itself is moving quite slowly, but it's definitely moving. AI in CRM is a slow burner. Look at how lead scoring works, for example. It looks at all the data in a leads record to assign it a particular value. It's a basic form of AI. Imagine an AI assistant looking at your reports, crunching the numbers, and giving you on-the-spot business tips. In the future, AI could really help us manage and develop our businesses better. Andrei Petrick, NetHunt founder, says when the technology is ready, he'll be there with NetHunt CRM. Our second 2022 CRM prediction is a shift towards better privacy. And we are not just guessing, the shift has already started. In 2022, we'll ditch open rates as an email marketing performance metric. This is down to Apple's new privacy feature. They want to protect their users' data from third-party apps. In the Mail app, Mail Privacy Protection, MPP, stops senders from using invisible pixels to collect information about the user. You can't really argue with that, can you? Next, in 2022, expect to see more processes being automated in CRM. Yep, 2021 was a pretty good year in the NetHunt office. We launched a bunch of new features, but none had more of an impact than workflows. Schedule a demo with our customer success team to see workflows in action. Workflows automates manual processes. Big jobs like email drip campaigns and remembering to follow up, and little jobs like sales notifications and moving a lead to the next pipeline stage based on a deal event. Workflow automation is beautiful because it's flexible. You can fine-tune automated processes to fit your exact business workflows. So we don't just predict that in 2022 there'll be more automated processes. We know there will be. The NetHunt CRM devs are busy. Trend number 4 is another upturn in social CRM. CRM already does a pretty good job keeping everything in, but there are still plenty of external comms going on between a brand and its customers. Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, and even WhatsApp. Users can communicate absolutely anywhere with a brand and expect a response. So expect this from your CRM. Integrations, and once again, integrations. Everything under one tab, more channels for communications with customers and leads, and no more lost leads. And if your CRM provider isn't putting out the integrations that you want, know that we are. Hit the link in the description box. Have a look at the integrations we've already built and the ones we are building as you watch this video. Next up is a market trend. Small CRM getting bigger. We expect smaller CRM providers take up a larger market share from bigger systems such as Salesforce CRM and HubSpot CRM. CRM is the fastest growing SaaS market, expected to top $128 billion by 2028. There are loads of CRM options out there for you to choose from. Just typing in CRM into Capterra returns 1,359 results. You can bet all those smaller CRM vendors offer the personal customer service that CRM users require. We can listen to individual feature requests and implement them without the red tape of larger CRMs. For smaller CRM vendors, the only way is up in 2022. Our next trend is CRM for everybody. This might not sound like a trend, but bear with me. CRM used to be a tool for sales teams to store, organize, and automate their data. Over the past year, we've seen an increase in different teams using CRM for different jobs. The pandemic took us out of offices, away from our coworkers. So CRM became an invaluable tool for different teams to stay on track of collective work. Marketing teams can take advantage of huge troves of data, segmentation, and all those email features. The support team always needs customer context and client history, and even devs are using CRM to keep track of customer requests and complaints. CRM helps your teams work together when they're not together. Your CRM should feature cross-communication tools such as tasks, mention, and shared context. If it doesn't, it's behind the curve. From everybody using CRM to just one. With the shift to work-from-home culture, we've seen a rise in the solopreneur. Maybe you don't need a large office in the Silicon Valley to be a success. You just need a big idea and a stack of tools to execute it. Solopreneurs have a good reason to use CRM. Entering client information, sending emails, answering questions, and scheduling meetings with their clients. They've got a pipeline to keep on top of, a calendar to stick to, and invoices to fire out. What better than a single CRM system to do all that? Next up, another market trend. More industries will start using CRM, and we'll see CRM specializations popping up. Over 50% of CRM subscribers currently work in one of 4 markets: real estate, consultancy, distribution, and insurance. We expect to see CRM make the working days of other industries simpler. Think healthcare, finance, and manufacturing. A lot of general CRM functionality already works for those companies. All it takes is one forward-thinking CRM developer to design new features to fit those exactly. We expect that to happen in 2022. Next up, we've got something completely new for 2022. It's XaaS, and somehow it stands for Everything as a Service. As a CRM provider, we work in the SaaS industry. That means we provide software as a service. But what happens if our product offering goes beyond SaaS? The next big thing is Everything as a Service. SaaS, PaaS, MaaS, IaaS, and the rest all rolled into one. Everything under one tab, accessible from the same program. Well, makes sense to us. What's last? It's self-service CRM. We are always telling you to personalize your customer experience, speak in the customer's language, and guide them through the B2B sales process one step at a time. But what if the customer doesn't want or need that? Self-service CRM provides the most effective, hands-off system for companies to build their customer base. It enables proper customer support from a company without direct interaction. Looking for a new CRM in 2022? Check out our A to Z to choosing a CRM. It's got features to look for and explains which industries need which system. Subscribe to the channel for more CRM Lab on your homepage. Tune in for the next video in this series, how to structure data in CRM to maximize its impact. Organize, automate, grow, NetHunt CRM.